Evening, sir. My name is Archit Kumar. I have made free electricity generator. In this, I have used two CDs for wheel structure, one motor, one bulb, and one handle to rotate this wheel. In this, I have not used any cell. In this, mechanical energy changes into electrical energy. The areas where the wind blows blows very fast have this system. Everyone knows that's name. That is wind energy or wind turbines. Now I will show how it works. The energy produced in the motor and transferred to the bulb through wires. If the force that we apply is in larger amount, the bulb glows normally. But if the force that we apply is in less amount, the bulb may glow, but for less time. We can also use magnet to produce free electricity. Thank you, sir.